Hello friends, welcome to a new video in our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be going to speak about antimatter. To understand about antimatter, let me give an example of this equation. In this particular equation where x square equals 16, for x we have two solutions, 4 and minus 4. If 4 and minus 2 comes together, they get cancelled up and we will get answer as 0. Same will happen in case of antimatter. If matter and antimatter comes closer, they will destroy each other and release enormous amount of energy. Same happened during Big Bang. I have to take you near the time of Big Bang. When Big Bang occurred, you know that the symmetry exists in this universe. That is, everything is equal. For example, charges are equal. The total number of positive charges is equal to the total number of negative charges. Same happened in Big Bang. When Big Bang took place, matter and antimatter were released and both were started to cancel up. Like as I mentioned earlier, when matter and antimatter collide, we will get enormous amount of energy. Same thing happened. But why on earth did this earth came into existence? Earth is a matter, right? And nearly roughly 15% of this universe is made up of matter. However, remaining is dark matter and dark energy. I will speak about that in upcoming videos. Then how did this matter came into existence if the number of matter and number of antimatters are equal and they got cancelled? No, that thing doesn't happen because a very small asymmetry existed between matter and antimatter. That is, for every billion particles of antimatter, a billion plus one particle of matter was present. This small asymmetry was responsible for the formation of this universe, or else humans were not there, any living creatures or these planets were not there, and our universe would be full of radiations emitted by the collision of matter and antimatter, all thanks to that asymmetry. Now let us study about antimatter in atomic and subatomic level. If you consider an atom, we know that there will be subatomic particles present in it, and these subatomic particles are made up of quarks and other particles which are subatomic. If we consider an electron also has an antiparticle. We know that it is anti-electron which has got positive charge, but the mass of that particle is equal to the mass of electron. We call it as positron, and all the subatomic particles will have their antiparticles. So similarly, I will explain you the fact that if I bring closer anti-object or antimatter of this particle, this both will collide and release energy which is enough to destroy the whole city in which I am living. Imagine the energy which is liberated when antiparticle and matter is coming closer. Then why on earth we cannot oftenly see the collision of matter and antimatter in and around our universe and releasing of energy? However, matter dominates antimatter, there will be some antiparticle or antimatter remaining in our universe. Scientists come up with many theories to explain this, that this antiparticle is present far away from our universe and another anti-universe is present. For example, if I am shooting this video in this universe, which is the universe of matters, another universe exists which is anti-universe of this universe. But the big question is, what will be the state of antimatter? Like, how will be the gravitational force in that universe? We exactly cannot say, but the anti-universe will be similar to our universe, because in our universe we don't have antiparticles to disturb our life. Same way, the anti-universe will not have matters to disturb them. So for example, I am shooting videos here. Hello friends, you are watching my channel, blah 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 blah. And he is my friend in anti-universe. Hello. So we can hypothesize, or hypothetically we can say that this is the key to explain parallel universe. Parallel universe is nothing but antimatter universe, blah blah blah. I don't know to what extent we should believe this or not. Some scientists are to the conclusion that parallel universes are nothing but anti-universe. Hello, but still many questions are remaining. Yes, of course. So we will be covering up in. So that's it for today, guys. We will be uploading many science videos in this YouTube channel. So if you are interested, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Till then, be happy, be scientific and be curious, because curiosity is the key to reveal mystery.